we have one other thing that I think maybe I'd like to show you right here. I'm sorry, I can't show this to you. How you doing? I'm Nick Brown, the VP of Marketing for SVS, here with Larry Magoo, our National Training Manager. We are at CES in Las Vegas, and what we're going to show you right now is our new Prime wireless speaker system. A lot of cool technology in this product. We unveiled it just a couple months ago. What you're looking at is a true stereo separation, a system that has 200 watts, 50 watts per channel, active digital crossover, 192 kilohertz, 24-bit DAC. So really all the audiophile technology that you would want in this, in a modern hi-fi system, but with a lot of other bells and whistles too. Why don't you talk a little about the versatility and the connectivity of that boy?
So most products in this category, we're all familiar with like the little pods and dots and stuff that's more about background music and, hey, turn on my lights. This is a product that works completely with that. So if you do have an Alexa product, this is a speaker that you can put on your home network and you can say, hey Alexa, play Queen in the living room, and wherever those speakers are, it would start. But what this really first and foremost is a high-end 2-channel audiophile type music system, or connected to a TV. And what you can do with that is, this is a Wi-Fi speaker pair. The speaker on the right is the amplified speaker. It gets powered, and there's a wire that goes to the speaker on the left. But on the back here, I have an optical connection to come up with a CD player, a television, a satellite box, or a gaming system, even a computer. I have an analog left and right RCA to come off like a turntable, also CD player, whatever you want to connect up there. Mini 3.5 millimeter, like a headphone jack, so if you've got a phone you want to connect up to it, you can as well. And then I have a subwoofer out. And what's really cool with this product, with the subwoofer out, it actually kicks on an 80 hertz crossover. So these things really can be even more dynamic in a listening space. Like back here behind Nick, we're showing a kitchen setup with a subwoofer, which is something we're going to try to do.
We're starting a trend. You're going to see subwoofers in the kitchen in every home here in the next 5 years. Don't count on that. And one other thing to note about these speakers, they're all working on the DTS Play-Fi platform, and that adds a lot of cool functionality. He had mentioned doing whole home audio streaming. We have various vignettes here set up in our CES suite. We have sort of the bar set up, the kitchen we mentioned. Behind you is a desktop. We can stream music to all one of these individually or have them all playing the same thing. There's also critical listening mode, which allows you to stream at lossless files, so you really get the highest fidelity that you possibly can.
24, 192, FLAC, MP3, WMA, AAC, all those files are accessible through there. And because it is on the Play-Fi network, as Nick was mentioning, any of the streaming services that you can access through here, Qobuz, Tidal, Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music, you can take those and start one of your playlists and then actually save it as a preset, just like you would in your car. I've got volume control here on the right, and then on the left I have input control.
We're going to head up here and actually look at the other member of the Prime Wireless family, what we call our Prime Wireless sound base. And all of that awesome technology we were just talking about is also available in an integrated amplifier that we have here. And while the speaker system is 200 watts, this is actually 300 watts, 150 times 2. So you can really power any loudspeakers out there to their full potential with the amount of power that this little guy's putting out there.
Yeah, it's a very similar story to what we were just telling on the Prime Wireless speakers, but the difference here is you supply your own speakers. And unlike most other products as well in this category, most of them are underpowered, 50 watts per channel. This is 150 watts by 2, so it's big enough and powerful enough to power a great pair of bookshelf speakers, some towers, or if you really want to do whole home audio, you could actually run some selectors off this and do 3 or 4 more pair with ease.
So we are super excited about these products. They've been available for just a couple months, but already they've won Sound & Vision's top pick of the year for wireless speakers, AVS Forum's top pick of the year for wireless speakers, and so we're really kind of just letting these things have a breakout now, and you'll see the Prime Wireless speaker system coming in a white gloss here in the next couple months, so you can look out for that. And then there'll be some other updates that we'll be sharing soon. But we're not done here at CES. We're going to show you some other products next door that I think you'll get equally excited about. So if you want to come over with us, we'll check those out. Welcome back. We're SVS here at CES, and right now we're in our home theater room. So we saw our Prime Wireless. On here, this is where we're unleashing the big boys. These are our new 3000 series subwoofers. What you're looking at is a sealed box model here, our SB-3000, and then our first ever dual ported subwoofer design here, our PB-3000, and these guys are absolute beasts. What we've done with these is bring our reference technology from our 16 Ultra subwoofers down to a lower price point than has ever been available before. You're looking at $999 for this one, $1399 for this one, 850 watts RMS, over 2,500 watts peak power, fully discrete MOSFET output. They have analog devices, DSP, so all of that phenomenal technology that we have in the 16 Ultras and our 4000 series has now trickled down to the 3000 series at a lower price point. And these guys will just absolutely fill your room with crushing bass. And I think, Dallas, you're going to be able to hear these in not too long when we come in for an event. And we have one other thing that I think maybe I'd like to show you right here. I'm sorry, I can't show this to you. You're going to have to come out to Dallas and see us on January 17th from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Dallas Starpower event. If you want to see what's behind me, you'll also get the 3000 series, the Prime Wireless, and some more surprises. We'll be doing giveaways and having a lot of fun, so I hope to see you there. Thanks to Starpower for coming out and visiting us here at CES, and you guys have a great show.